Apple TV 4K remote buttons. Not responding even after a reset is a common issue. Resetting the remote doesn't always fix the problem. In this video, I will show you safe and working troubleshooting steps to fix Apple TV 4K remote buttons that are not responding. First, let's understand the problem. Sometimes none of the Apple TV 4K remote buttons work at all. Other times, only the volume or power buttons stop working. In some cases, the remote connects and then disconnects again. This matters because resetting the remote alone does not fix every issue. Now let's restart the Apple TV remote. To do this, press and hold the TV or control center button and the volume down button together for 5 seconds. Keep holding until you see a message on the TV screen that says the remote connection is lost. After that, release the buttons and wait. The remote will reconnect automatically in a few moments. This method usually works for small glitches or when the remote feels unresponsive. Next, make sure the remote is properly charged. Connect the remote to a charger and let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Charging is important because the remote needs enough power to work correctly and update its firmware. After charging, you can check the battery level by going to Settings, then Remotes and Devices, and selecting Remote. A low battery can cause the remote to stop responding. If the remote still doesn't work, restart the Apple TV itself. Unplug the Apple TV from the power source and wait for about 5 to 6 seconds. Then plug it back in and let it fully restart. This helps in cases where restarting the remote alone does not fix the issue. Now let's remove and repair the remote. If the remote is not working at all, you can use the Apple TV Remote app on your iPhone to navigate. Go to Settings, then Remotes and Devices, and choose Forget Remote. After that, hold the back button and the volume up button on the remote for 5 seconds while keeping it close to the Apple TV. This is one of the best fixes for connection and pairing problems. If only the volume buttons are not working, there is a separate fix for that. Go to Settings, then Remotes and Devices, and open Volume Control. Change the volume control option from there. Volume buttons can fail even when the rest of the remote works fine, so this step is important. Finally, check for a software update. If needed, use the iPhone remote to navigate. Go to Settings, then System, and open Software Updates. Software bugs can affect how the remote buttons respond, and updating the system can fix those issues. That's it for this video on fixing Apple TV 4K remote buttons that are not responding. I hope these step-by-step troubleshooting methods help you get your remote working properly again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and useful tech fixes. If you have any questions or if one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.